did, I tied the back that is giving me issue. So I want you to learn. It's supposed to come like this, but I'm actually okay. Let me just show you. See, I've so let me just and I will not want that. I will not want us to experience that. So, like, I'm bringing it to the back. So, I will come back to that. My people, my people, don't forget though, I'm using 2 yards of fabric so that when you want to try yours, I just want to make some foundation. I will pick my pleating from up so that I will leave you on time. Because if I said I should be picking it from down, I will stay here. Oh. It's going to take us time. So I want to pick my pleating now. So one way or the other, the pleating is already giving me shape. I still have to trace it out. So let me secure that. I want to secure that one. Then I want to come to the side. So this one too, I want to secure it here. So I will not have to sit and make the pleat to my satisfaction now. I will sit and make the pleat to my satisfaction. So this piece is not formed very well. So you see, when I arrange it now, it's formed. So I'm still coming back there. So this side too has not been properly. So this one, then so I will have to pin it. I will secure it with my pin. Secure it with my pin. Secure it with my pin. So, my people, what do you say to this gele? Is it hard? Is it difficult to tie? It's not though. See, and it's fine. Hmm? It's not difficult to tie. So simple and easy to tie. Hmm. So I'm here. Don't be giving yourself headache. Give me that headache. Just come to the channel, press, and uh, let me drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know your comments. Which tie do you want me to tie? And I will walk around it and I'll come and teach you on the channel. Till we meet again. Bye.